If you're an Amazon seller trying to rank higher and stay ahead of your competition, you probably already know about keyword tracking. Expert sellers use it, but the truth is very few are leveraging it strategically. Before we jump into this tool I want to show you, let's talk about why this actually matters. When you're selling on Amazon, ranking is everything. If you're not showing up on page 1 for the right search terms, you're missing sales every single day. But ranking isn't just about where you are, it's about spotting changes early, understanding why they're happening, and knowing when to act. Tracking keyword performance helps you uncover what's working and what's not, identify weak spots in your SEO or PPC, and even reverse engineer what competitors are doing better than you. This kind of data is what allows you to make fast, informed adjustments instead of guessing or reacting too late. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use Seller Sprite's keyword tracker, not just to monitor your rankings, but to actually use that data to improve your SEO and PPC performance in real time, and spot changes before they impact your sales. Now, before we jump into it, if at any time you're watching this video and you want to try this Seller Sprite tool and go sign up for Seller Sprite, then you gotta use my promo code EVOLVE because that's gonna save you big money. Basically, you're gonna get the monthly plan for just $20 instead of $80, or you can get their yearly plan for $200 instead of $400. That's a huge savings. So again, use the promo code EVOLVE when you sign up to try out Seller Sprite's tool. All right, so as you can see, I've got Seller Sprite pulled up, and you can see that I'm tracking keywords for these open-ear wireless earbuds. They're actually ranked number 4 in the open-ear headphones subcategory. We've added them to Seller Sprite so we can show you exactly how to monitor keyword performance, spot ranking trends, and compare movement over time. Here's what most sellers miss. Keyword tracking shouldn't just be about checking your daily rank. It's about using that data to understand why things are moving, what's working, what's slowing down, and what your competitors are doing. This is stuff that could be affecting your visibility. Let's take a look at a few ways you can use keyword tracker more effectively. Now, real quick, just to be clear, keyword tracking isn't the same as keyword research. Research helps you find new terms to target, but tracking is about watching how those keywords perform over time and spotting trends while they're happening. This is where you start making smarter moves. For example, if you're ranking on page 2 for a keyword and you see it slowly climbing, that's a sign Amazon's algorithm is warming up to your listing. Look at it as an opportunity. You might not be converting on it yet, but that keyword is gaining traction, so it could be worth testing in PPC or reinforcing in your copy. On the flip side, if you see a group of keywords gradually slipping, it might mean your listing's getting outdated or competitors are outpacing you. So keyword tracking gives you that visibility before it becomes a bigger problem, so you can step in and fix it or make an effort to fix it. Seller Sprite doesn't show keyword rank comparisons for multiple ASINs in the same chart, but you can still track your product and competitors separately. Just make sure you're monitoring the same keywords to get clear insights for comparison. Then toggle between the two to catch any changes in ranking. If a competitor starts climbing on a keyword while your rank holds flat, jump over to the unit sales or price tracker. Did they drop their price, launch a promotion, see a sales spike? That could mean that they're converting better, and it might be time to test that keyword in your PPC or adjust your listing to compete. You'll get even more clarity by pairing keyword rank data with sales movement. For example, in the product comparison chart between the Ultra open ear earbuds and the Monster AC100s, we saw a major sales spike for the Ultra earbuds. If you were tracking keywords at the same time and noticed ranking gains, that's a strong signal those keywords are contributing and worth leaning into. When you first get started, try tracking 50 to 100 relevant keywords. That includes 10 to 20 high intent terms you expect to drive conversions, plus another 30 to 50 tied to long tail use cases, pain points, or even angles competitors might be missing. This gives you a sharper view of what's working without crowding your dashboard with low impact noise. Another smart move is to track keywords that you're not actively targeting yet. Maybe your product is showing up on page 2 or 3 for a search term with decent search volume. That's potential. Add it to your tracking list first, so you can monitor how your position changes, even if it's not part of your main strategy yet. If it starts trending up, that might be a keyword worth optimizing for or testing in your ads. At the end of the day, keyword tracking isn't about watching numbers. It's about knowing when and how to take action. Whether you're launching, scaling, or protecting your rank, this tool gives you real-time data you need to make smart decisions fast. So that's it. If you want to actually use your keyword data to scale, then SellerSprite's Keyword Tracker is the tool you need. If you want to sign up right now, you can use my promo code EVOLVE to get the monthly plan for just $20 instead of $80, or their yearly plan for $200 instead of $400. Again, that promo code is EVOLVE, and the link to that is going to be down in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.